The new administration moved to limit the luxuries afforded to former presidents since it was costing the state a lot. In July of this year, the AP and UAFC government passed the Former President's Benefits and Other Facilities Act of 2015, in the absence of PPP parliamentarians who absconded from the sitting. For this action, the state is being sued by former Presidents Jagdeo and Ramotar, who wish to relive those glory days.
Both PPPC former presidents, Jagdeo and Donald Ramotar, have caused applications to be filed in the High Court, seeking in effect to receive the large sums of money in benefits and other facilities that were capped on the coming into operation of the former President's Benefits and Other Facilities Act No. 3 of 2015.
The Legal Affairs Minister said the matter will come up before Chief Justice Ian Chang on December 11, and the AG Chamber is expected to mount a defense. Minister Williams explained the basis of the lawsuit filed by the former heads of state.
They claiming that the Amendment Act of 2015, the former President's Benefits and Other Facilities Act that was passed in 2015, could not affect their uncapped earnings.
Williams said it is also being contended by Jagdeo and Ramotar that their benefits were accrued prior to the passing of this act. Hence, the amendments by the new administration are not applicable to them. The Attorney General said the challenge to the act is unjustified and merely another approach to further dent the national purse.
If you recall in the parliamentary debate, the figures that were read out that had in fact been incurred by President Jagdeo, for example, were enormous. And the question is whether, in the light of the pension that he was enjoying and other facilities, whether this country could have afforded to have a president. His travel was so hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars.
During the debates, Minister Jordan echoed the same sentiments, noting that the burden is actually the taxpayers to bear. Jordan also indicated that Guyana cannot have a situation where a former president enjoys a tax-free pension almost identical to that of a sitting president. Minister Williams said given all the exposure the party is receiving, one should question their silence on this present action.
Well, but that's something that you should wonder, because you should wonder why it never reached the media since it was filed on the 11th of November.
The Attorney General said they have not established additional grounds for their lawsuit. Minister Williams noted that the lawsuit indicates that the benefits have been capped, and it is probably a nostalgic move. The act caps several benefits to former Presidents Jagdeo, Ramotar, and Samuel Hines. For HGP Nightly News, Kingsley Bryan.